If you've ever wondered how people healed themselves long before pharmacies, pills, and prescriptions existed, you're about to discover something powerful. For thousands of years, humans relied on plants not just to survive, but to heal wounds, fight infections, calm pain, and restore strength. Some of these plants work so fast and so effectively that even modern science now confirms what ancient healers already knew. In this video, you'll discover 10 medicinal plants that have been used across cultures for centuries. Plants that act quickly, naturally, and with surprising power. These are not myths or folklore. These are real healing plants you can grow, find, or use today. Stay until the end, because some of the most impressive healers are also the simplest and often overlooked. 1. Chamomile. Chamomile is often associated with calm and sleep, but its healing abilities reach far beyond relaxation. This gentle yet powerful plant contains compounds like apigenin and bisabolol, which act quickly on the nervous system, digestive tract, and skin. When consumed as a warm tea, chamomile begins working within minutes. It calms the nervous system by binding to receptors in the brain that reduce anxiety and tension. This is why chamomile is so effective for stress, restlessness, racing thoughts, and difficulty falling asleep. The warmth of the tea combined with the herb's natural sedative effect creates rapid, noticeable relaxation without grogginess. Chamomile is also an excellent digestive healer. Its antispasmodic properties relax the muscles of the stomach and intestines, easing cramps, gas, bloating, and nausea. This makes it especially useful for stress-related stomach pain, menstrual cramps, or digestive discomfort after meals. Applied topically, chamomile works just as fast. It reduces inflammation, redness, and irritation on the skin, helping soothe rashes, insect bites, minor burns, and small wounds. Because it's naturally antibacterial and anti-inflammatory, it supports healing while calming pain and irritation. What makes chamomile special is its balance. It's gentle enough for daily use, even for children, yet effective enough to deliver fast, noticeable relief. Calm, comforting, and quietly powerful, chamomile proves that some of the most effective healing plants work not through force, but through soothing the body back into balance. 2. Turmeric. Turmeric has been used as a healing spice for thousands of years, especially in Ayurvedic and traditional Eastern medicine. Its deep golden color comes from curcumin, the compound responsible for turmeric's powerful anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and pain-relieving effects. While turmeric is often associated with long-term healing, many people are surprised by how quickly it can begin working when used correctly. When turmeric is consumed with black pepper, curcumin absorption increases dramatically. Black pepper contains piperine, which allows curcumin to enter the bloodstream more efficiently, making its effects noticeable much faster. Once absorbed, curcumin begins reducing inflammation at the cellular level, calming overactive immune responses and easing pain signals throughout the body. This makes turmeric especially effective for joint pain, muscle soreness, arthritis, and post-exercise inflammation. Many people report reduced stiffness and discomfort within hours, particularly when turmeric is taken as a warm drink, capsule, or mixed into food with healthy fats like olive oil or coconut milk. Turmeric also supports the liver and digestive system, helping the body process toxins and recover more efficiently after illness, stress, or injury. By lowering oxidative stress and inflammation, it allows the body to shift from repair mode into true healing. While turmeric's deepest benefits build gradually over days or weeks, its initial soothing effects on inflammation and pain can be felt surprisingly fast. Unlike synthetic painkillers, turmeric doesn't mask symptoms. It works at the root of inflammation. This makes it a powerful plant for both immediate relief and long-term wellness, bridging the gap between fast action and lasting healing. 3. Aloe vera. Aloe vera is often called the plant of immortality, and this name wasn't given lightly. For thousands of years, it has been used by ancient Egyptians, Greeks, and Chinese healers as a primary remedy for wounds, burns, and skin damage. Inside its thick, fleshy leaves is a clear gel, packed with bioactive compounds that begin working almost immediately upon contact with the skin. When applied to burns, cuts, sunburns, or insect bites, aloe vera cools the affected area, reduces redness, and calms inflammation within minutes. The gel creates a natural protective layer over damaged tissue, helping to prevent infection while allowing oxygen to reach the wound. a key factor in faster healing. Aloe also stimulates collagen production, which helps skin repair itself more efficiently and reduces scarring over time. What makes aloe especially powerful is how deeply it penetrates the skin. Instead of sitting on the surface like many creams, aloe vera delivers moisture, vitamins, and enzymes straight into the cells. This deep hydration helps damaged skin regenerate faster and restores elasticity, making it effective not only for injuries but also for chronic dryness, eczema, and irritation. Internally, aloe vera offers fast digestive support when used correctly. Aloe juice can soothe an irritated stomach lining, reduce acid reflux, and help calm inflammation in the gut. It supports healthy digestion by improving nutrient absorption and promoting the growth of beneficial gut bacteria. Because aloe contains enzymes that aid digestion, many people feel relief from bloating or discomfort shortly after consumption. Rich in vitamins A, C, and E, all essential for immune support and tissue repair, aloe vera works as both an instant remedy and a long-term healer. It's one of the rare plants that delivers noticeable relief almost immediately, while also supporting deeper healing beneath the surface. 4. Honey, from medicinal plants. While honey isn't a plant itself, it is one of the most concentrated forms of plant medicine available. Bees collect nectar from medicinal flowers, herbs, and trees, then transform it into a substance with immediate healing power. Raw, unprocessed honey begins working the moment it touches the body. Applied topically, honey acts as a natural antiseptic and antibacterial barrier. It kills harmful microbes, prevents infection, and creates the perfect moist environment for wound healing. Burns, cuts, ulcers, and skin infections often heal faster with honey than with many commercial treatments. The pain also eases quickly as honey reduces inflammation and protects exposed tissue. Internally, honey provides instant soothing relief. It coats the throat, calming coughs and sore throats within minutes. Its natural enzymes and antioxidants support immune function, while its simple sugars provide fast, clean energy without the crash of refined sugar. This makes honey especially valuable during illness or exhaustion. Different honeys offer different benefits depending on the plants the bees visited. Manuka honey, for example, is especially powerful for infections and wound healing. Herbal-infused honeys combine the fast action of honey with the medicinal properties of specific plants, creating a synergistic remedy that works even faster. Honey's power lies in its immediacy and versatility. It heals externally and internally, supports immunity, and delivers plant-based medicine in its most concentrated and accessible form. Used wisely, it's one of the quickest and most effective natural remedies known, a true gift of medicinal plants transformed by nature itself. 5. Ginger. Ginger is one of the fastest-acting medicinal plants you can consume, and its effects are often felt within minutes. This knobby root has been used for over 5,000 years in traditional medicine systems across Asia and the Middle East. Its power comes from active compounds like gingerol and shogal, which have strong anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and digestive properties. One of ginger's most impressive abilities is its rapid effect on nausea and stomach discomfort. Whether it's motion sickness, morning nausea, food poisoning, or digestive upset, ginger tea or fresh ginger slices can calm the stomach quickly by relaxing the digestive muscles and improving gastric emptying. This is why ginger is often recommended after surgery or during travel. Ginger's warming nature boosts circulation almost immediately. As blood flow increases, oxygen and nutrients are delivered more efficiently throughout the body, helping tissues heal faster and reducing muscle stiffness and joint pain. This makes ginger especially useful for sore muscles, arthritis, and cold-related aches. Many people feel a gentle warmth spreading through the body shortly after consuming it. The immune-boosting effects of ginger also work fast. Ginger helps the body fight bacteria and viruses, making it extremely effective at the very first signs of a cold, flu, or sore throat. It helps reduce throat inflammation, loosen mucus, and support respiratory health before symptoms fully develop. Unlike many remedies that take time to build up in the system, ginger delivers immediate internal action. It energizes the body, calms the stomach, eases pain, and strengthens immunity all at once, making it one of the most reliable and fast-acting medicinal plants in the world. 6. Peppermint. Peppermint is one of the fastest-acting medicinal plants. and its effects are often felt within minutes. The secret lies in its high concentration of menthol, a natural compound that creates an instant cooling sensation while gently numbing pain receptors and relaxing tense muscles. This is why peppermint feels refreshing almost immediately after use. When consumed as tea, peppermint works quickly on the digestive system. It relaxes the smooth muscles of the intestines, allowing trapped gas to pass more easily and reducing bloating, cramping, and stomach discomfort. For people who suffer from indigestion, irritable bowel symptoms, or post-meal heaviness, peppermint tea can bring noticeable relief very fast, sometimes after just a few sips. Peppermint is also highly effective for headaches and sinus pressure. When inhaled, whether from crushed leaves, steam, or essential oil, the menthol helps open nasal passages, improve airflow, and reduce inflammation in the sinuses. Applied topically in a properly diluted oil, peppermint can relieve tension headaches by increasing blood flow to the skin and relaxing tight muscles in the neck and temples. Beyond physical relief, peppermint has a powerful effect on the mind. Its aroma stimulates the nervous system, improving alertness, focus, and mental clarity. This makes it especially useful for fatigue, stress, or mental fog. Unlike stimulants that cause jitters, peppermint refreshes the brain gently and naturally. Because it acts so quickly on digestion, pain, breathing, and mental focus, peppermint is considered both a physical and mental healer. Its speed and versatility are the reasons it's used worldwide in teas, balms, inhalers, and natural remedies, delivering fast, noticeable relief when the body needs it most. 7. Garlic. Garlic is one of the most potent medicinal plants known to humanity, earning its reputation as a natural antibiotic long before modern medicine existed. Its power comes from allicin, a sulfur-based compound that is released the moment garlic is crushed or chopped. Once activated, allicin begins working almost immediately inside the body. This compound has strong antibacterial, antiviral, antifungal, and antiparasitic effects. When consumed raw or lightly cooked, garlic quickly enters the bloodstream and starts neutralizing harmful microbes. That's why garlic has traditionally been used at the first sign of infection, sore throat, cold, flu, or fever, often stopping illness before it fully develops. Garlic also works fast to support the cardiovascular system. It improves circulation by helping blood vessels relax, lowers blood pressure naturally, and reduces inflammation in the arteries. Better blood flow means oxygen and nutrients reach tissues more efficiently, accelerating the body's natural healing processes. In traditional medicine, raw garlic was commonly applied to wounds or infections because of how rapidly it killed bacteria. Internally, it was used to treat respiratory illnesses, chest congestion, and digestive infections. Even today, garlic is recognized for strengthening immune response within hours of consumption. Beyond fighting illness, garlic supports long-term health by reducing oxidative stress and supporting liver detoxification. But what truly sets garlic apart is its speed. Few natural remedies act as quickly or as broadly across multiple systems of the body. Powerful, pungent, and incredibly effective, garlic isn't just food. It's one of nature's fastest and most reliable healing tools, capable of protecting and restoring the body almost immediately after use. 8. Echinacea. Echinacea is one of the most powerful immune-supporting plants ever used in natural medicine, and its greatest strength is how quickly it activates the body's defenses. Unlike herbs that work slowly over time, Echinacea is most effective when taken at the very first hint of illness. A scratchy throat, mild fatigue, chills, or that something's coming on feeling. Once consumed, Echinacea stimulates the immune system by increasing the activity and mobility of white blood cells, which are responsible for identifying and destroying viruses and bacteria. It also boosts the production of interferons, natural antiviral proteins that block viruses from replicating. This rapid immune activation can shorten the duration of illness or even stop it from developing fully if taken early enough. Echinacea is especially effective for colds, flu, sore throats, sinus infections, and respiratory issues. Many people notice reduced congestion, less throat pain, and improved energy within 24 hours. It also helps reduce inflammation in the mucous membranes, making breathing easier during infections. Another benefit of Echinacea is its ability to support the lymphatic system, helping the body flush out toxins and waste more efficiently. This speeds up recovery and reduces that heavy, sluggish feeling that often comes with being sick. Taken as a tea, tincture, or capsule, Echinacea delivers fast, targeted immune support when your body needs it most. While it's not meant for long-term daily use, Echinacea shines as an emergency immune booster, a plant you reach for the moment your body signals trouble. Used correctly, it can mean the difference between a mild inconvenience and days of illness. 9. Lavender. Lavender is one of the fastest-acting healing plants because it works directly through the nervous system. Even before it's absorbed into the body, its aroma sends calming signals to the brain, lowering stress hormones and triggering an almost immediate sense of relaxation. Inhaling lavender essential oil can quickly reduce anxiety, slow the heart rate, and relax tense muscles. This makes it highly effective for stress-induced headaches, emotional overload, panic, and mental fatigue. Many people feel relief within minutes, which is why lavender is commonly used in aromatherapy for instant calming effects. Lavender is also a powerful sleep aid. By calming the nervous system and quieting mental chatter, it helps the body transition into rest more easily. A few drops on a pillow or a warm lavender tea in the evening can significantly improve sleep quality without causing dependency or grogginess. Applied topically, always diluted, lavender works quickly on the skin. It reduces inflammation, soothes pain, and helps prevent infection in minor burns, cuts, scrapes, and insect bites. Its natural antibacterial and antifungal properties support faster healing while reducing redness and irritation. What makes lavender truly unique is its ability to heal both mind and body at the same time. Stress often worsens physical symptoms, and lavender addresses the root by calming the nervous system first. Gentle yet powerful, lavender offers fast relief in moments when the body and mind need immediate balance. 10. Plantain, Plantago major. Plantain is one of the most underrated medicinal plants on Earth, often pulled out and discarded as a weed. Yet it may be one of the fastest-acting natural healers you'll ever encounter. This humble plant grows almost everywhere: lawns, paths, fields, and roadside soil. And for centuries, it has been known as a living first aid kit. When a fresh plantain leaf is crushed, chewed, or rolled between the fingers and applied directly to the skin, it begins working almost instantly. Bleeding slows, pain eases, and swelling starts to go down within minutes. That's because plantain contains powerful compounds like aucubin and allantoin, which fight bacteria, reduce inflammation, and stimulate rapid tissue repair. Plantain is especially effective for cuts, scrapes, insect bites, bee stings, splinters, and rashes. It has a natural drawing ability, meaning it pulls toxins, venom, and irritants out of the skin. This makes it incredibly useful for spider bites, nettle stings, and even minor infections. Many people notice relief within moments of applying it. Internally, plantain also works quickly. Taken as a tea or infusion, it soothes the digestive tract, reduces inflammation in the gut, and helps calm coughs by coating and healing irritated tissues in the throat and lungs. It has been traditionally used for ulcers, gastritis, and respiratory irritation because of how gently yet effectively it works. What makes plantain truly special is its availability and speed. You don't need a pharmacy or a supplement bottle, just a leaf in a few seconds. It's proof that some of the most powerful healing tools grow quietly under our feet.